1, 2, 3. Misseskisses Bra will give you a nice boobies. That's all women dream about this. Hi everyone, this is MamaG and welcome to my channel. So let me tell you this. Why Misseskisses Bra is the best among all the trending bra that we can see all over the social media. First question is, are you ready to change your life and your style? Because Misseskisses Bra will change your life and style. So this is the Misseskisses Bra. So this is the logo of Misseskisses and this is the deep plunge bra. So I have the 3 collection, guys. So this is the moderate plunge bra and this is the shallow plunge bra. So this one is for crop top and this one for open dress or open tops until here, okay, and the deep plunge bra is until here, so it's not the same. So that is the size and the forms of Misseskisses collection. So Misseskisses Bra, guys, is the one and only frontless, backless and strapless push-up bra ever that I've ever seen in all my life. So thank you, Amanda. Amanda is the CEO of this Misseskisses Bra and she invented this Misseskisses Plunge Bra, guys. And please let us give her a round of applause. This girl is amazing. Thanks, Amanda. If you guys are planning to do a surgery because you want to have a nice cleavage, you want to lift your boobs, you want to have a double of what you have, why not trying the Misseskisses first? Okay, why? Because Misseskisses, the result is exactly like you've been in the surgery. And you don't have to worry because you're not taking the risk of the silicone that will put inside your boobs. Next, this is a friendly budget at only $127. You can have it. And also, guys, when you take out this one, your boobs is normal, like you are not scared or you don't have to avoid your husband or boyfriend to touch your boobs. Really, I'm serious. This is a lifetime investment. I mean, look at this, guys. The quality of the wire is really strong. The pads is not sticky, you know, I mean, it's not sticky, okay, it will not stick like this, but it stick on the skin, so you don't have to change it every now and then, you know what I mean. Sometimes when it's overused, it's not working. What you need to do is you just have to rinse it with water and after make it dry with a towel, and after it's working again. So that's it. So for me, it's a good investment. You can use this one for many years, guys. So for me, $127 is nothing if you can use it for many years, you know. So why this one is the best among all the trending bra in social media? What I saw on social media, guys, yeah, it's they give them a nice cleavage, they lifted their boobs, but the thing is, when you look on the other side, you know, it's flat. Your boobs are flat, you know, and sometimes the shape is not really good, like not real. But with Misseskisses Bra, guys, it will give you a nice shape boobs. I mean, this one will push your boobs. Okay, so it will push your boobs and it will give you a nice cleavage. So in this part is empty because all the boobs are in the middle. So that's how it works. So this will fill all the empty on the other side, okay, like this and that. Okay, so that's how it works. And you look on the other side, your boobs is still lifted, you know, it's still lifted, not flat. It will give you a nice shape boobs, bigger boobs. So now I'm gonna wear it, guys, and I'm gonna show you what I'm saying. Before I will wear it, I just explain it to you how it works. Okay, so how it works. So okay, so I'm gonna show you guys on how to set up properly the pads, because this is very important, guys. Okay, So you don't put like this, okay? You don't put like this. You don't put like this, okay? You can see the black, you can see the paddle, how it looks like. No, no, yes. So when you see the triangle here, guys, that's the perfect way to use the pads, okay? So same with this one. So it's triangle, okay? And then you just have to put one by one. You have to put the right first, and then you have to grab your boobs on the other side with your right hand, and then pack, tack, tack. So that's how it works, okay? And then also this one is very important, because if you did not adjust it perfectly, guys, it will not give you a nice result and comfy, you know. So you have to adjust this one. If you think when you're moving it's not comfortable, you have to more tight like this. Push it like this, okay? So it will be more tight to you, okay? Wear it. 1, 2, 3. Ting! So did you see that? So what I'm explaining a while ago is it will give you a nice cleavage, it will lift your boobies, and even when you look on the other side, it's still lifted, guys, and it gives you a nice shape, bigger boobs. So what you guys waiting for? Just visit Misseskisses.com and choose your favorite plunge bra and add to cart and use my code MamaG, so you can have a 10% discount on your bill. One more thing about this is you are secure, guys. You don't have to worry. You move, okay? Move, okay? So this is the result, okay? So I'm gonna jump. Even you dance all day, all night, you know, you are free. You don't have to worry, guys. It's really secure. If you are not familiar to wear just like this and you're scared, you know, but I never wear this one. So this is the strap. You can just secure it like this. You can secure it like this. You can attach. So you can attach in the wire. And then, so you're not scared, but you don't need it. You don't need it, guys. It's really amazing, guys. It's really amazing. I'll remind you guys that Misseskisses bra will give you a nice boobies, but you have to help also Misseskisses bra how to wear it properly. I mean, you don't have to be shy, you know, when you're wearing Misseskisses bra. You have to be proud. You have to stand straight, chin up, okay? So you have to be confident using this one. You have to walk like very proud, yeah, because you have the guts. All women dream about this. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to put like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. I have a lot of videos, tutorial about this Misseskisses bra. So please visit my channel, and I will link all my videos on the description box, guys. Just watch it if you need it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and see you again on my next vlog. Bye!